Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts and nature lovers. Are you ready to bring a touch of dazzling magic to your backyard? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of hummingbirds, those tiny, jewel-toned marvels that can transform any garden into a vibrant spectacle. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while these aerial acrobats flit and dart just outside your window. It's an experience that truly connects us with nature, and it's easier to achieve than you might think. We'll share our simple, foolproof nectar recipe and expert tips for creating a hummingbird haven. Let's start with the cornerstone of any hummingbird-friendly garden, fresh homemade nectar. This isn't just about providing food, it's about offering a safe and appealing energy source for these busy pollinators. Forget those store-bought mixes with unnecessary additives. Making your own nectar is incredibly simple and much healthier for our feathered friends. You only need 2 basic ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. This natural approach ensures pure hydration and energy. Here's the quick recipe. You'll need 1 part granulated white sugar and 4 parts water. For example, a 1/4 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water, or 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. It's that easy to remember. Combine the sugar and water in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until the sugar is completely dissolved. This boiling step also helps to sterilize the solution, which is crucial for the bird's health. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Allow the nectar to cool completely to room temperature before filling your feeders. Never put warm or hot nectar into a feeder, as it could harm the birds. Now, a crucial tip: please avoid adding red dye to your hummingbird nectar. It is entirely unnecessary and could be harmful to the birds. The red color on feeders themselves is enough to attract them. You can store any leftover nectar in a clean, airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 1 week. This way, you always have a fresh supply ready to go. Remember, fresh nectar is key to keeping your hummingbirds healthy and coming back. Once you have your homemade nectar ready, proper feeder placement is vital for attracting these tiny visitors. Choose a spot that is visible to you, but also offers some protection for the hummingbirds. Avoid direct, scorching sunlight. A shady or partially shaded location helps prevent the nectar from fermenting too quickly, especially during warmer months. Consider placing feeders near colorful flowers or trees, which can naturally draw their attention. This creates a welcoming environment. Now, for maintenance, cleanliness is paramount. Hummingbird feeders can quickly become breeding grounds for bacteria and mold, which can be very dangerous for the birds. Commit to a regular cleaning schedule. During hot weather, clean and refill your feeders every 2 to 3 days. In cooler temperatures, you might get away with cleaning every 4 to 5 days, but always check for cloudiness or mold. Use hot water and a bottle brush to thoroughly scrub all parts of the feeder. Avoid using soap or detergents, as residues can be harmful. If you have stubborn mold, a weak vinegar solution can be used, followed by a thorough rinse with plain water. Rinse multiple times to ensure no vinegar smell or residue remains. While feeders are a great start, a true hummingbird sanctuary includes thoughtful planting. Integrating nectar-rich flowers into your landscape provides a natural and sustainable food source, complementing your feeders beautifully. These flowers also offer shelter and perching spots. Hummingbirds are particularly attracted to tubular-shaped flowers, especially those in shades of red, orange, and pink. These vibrant colors and shapes are perfectly designed to accommodate their long beaks and tongues. They quickly learn where to find their next meal. Some fantastic choices for your garden include native salvias, bee balm, cardinal flower, and trumpet vine. Fuchsias, petunias, and impatiens are also popular ornamental options that hummers adore. Consider a variety of bloom times to ensure a continuous food source throughout the season. Think in layers when designing your garden. Provide tall plants for perching and shelter, medium-sized flowering plants for feeding, and smaller plants for ground cover. A diverse garden creates a richer habitat. Beyond nectar, consider a shallow water source, like a bird bath with a mister or a very gentle drip. Hummingbirds love to bathe and preen, and a fresh water source will make your garden even more irresistible. Just ensure the water is shallow enough for them. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, commit to a pesticide-free garden. pesticides, even organic ones, can harm hummingbirds directly or by reducing their insect food sources. Remember, hummingbirds also eat tiny insects for protein. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the dazzling spectacle of hummingbirds in your own backyard. It's a rewarding experience that enriches both your garden and your life. Happy gardening, and enjoy the show.